Which credit card is right for you? 2025 Comparison Guide. Choosing the right credit card in 2025 can feel overwhelming. With so many options, cashback, travel rewards, balance transfer, student cards, secured cards. How do you know which one fits your needs? Whether you're looking to earn rewards, build credit, or finance a big purchase, the best card for you depends on your financial habits and goals. This comprehensive guide breaks down the top credit card types and recommends some of the best cards in 2025 for different situations. 1. Understanding the main types of credit cards. Before diving into comparisons, it's important to understand the broad categories of credit cards available today. A. Rewards, credit cards. These cards offer points, miles, or cashback for every dollar you spend. Cashback cards offer a percentage of your spending back as cash. Travel rewards cards earn points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, or other travel expenses. Points cards, flexible rewards that can be used for travel, merchandise, gift cards, or statement credits. B. Low interest and 0% APR credit cards. These cards are ideal for those who plan to carry a balance or want to finance a large purchase interest-free for a time. Intro 0% APR. Promotional periods, often 12 to 21 months, of no interest on purchases and/or balance transfers. Low ongoing APR. Cards with lower than average interest rates even after introductory periods end. Credit-building cards for people with poor or no credit history. Secured credit cards require a refundable deposit that serves as your credit limit. Student credit cards designed for college students with little or no credit history. D. Business credit cards tailored to the needs of small business owners, offering rewards and tools to manage expenses. 2. Best overall credit cards in 2025. Here are top picks in different categories. A. Best for cashback, Chase Freedom Flex. Annual fee, 0 rewards, 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories, up to $1,500 per quarter. 5% on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining and drugstores, 1% on all other purchases. Intro offer, $200 bonus after spending $500 in the first 385 days. 3 months APR, 0% for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, then 20.49% to 29.24% variable. Why it's great: excellent everyday value with bonus categories and no annual fee. Best for travel rewards, Capital One Venture Rewards, credit card. Annual fee, $95. Rewards, 2 times miles on all purchases, 5 times miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel Intro. Offer 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months APR, 19.99% to 29.99% variable. Why it's great: simple flat rate reward system and flexible redemption options. Use miles to cover travel expenses with no blackout dates. C. Best for balance transfers. Citi Diamond Preferred Card Annual Fee, 0 Intro Offer, 0% Intro APR on balance transfers for 21 months, one of the longest offers available. APR, 17.99% to 28.74% variable. Why it's great: ideal for paying off debt without interest for almost 2 years. D. Best for building credit. Discover its secured credit card. Annual fee, $0, security deposit, $200 minimum. Rewards, 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 in purchases per quarter. 1% cashback on all other purchases. Cashback match. Discover matches all cashback at the end of your first year. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Yes, why it's great: it helps you build credit while still earning rewards, rare for secured cards. E. Best for students, Capital One. Saver 1, student cash rewards. Annual fee, 0 rewards, 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, streaming services, and grocery stores. 1% on everything else APR, 19.99% to 29.99% variable. Why it's great: generous rewards for students, no annual fee, and no foreign transaction fees. 3. How to choose the right card for you. Now that you know some of the top cards, how do you decide which one fits your lifestyle? Step 1. Know your credit score. Credit cards are typically categorized by credit score requirements. Excellent 720 plus, most premium rewards cards good, 1660, 719. Most cashback cards and some travel cards. Fair, 580, 659. Entry-level rewards and some secured cards. Poor, 580. Secured cards or credit builder cards. You can check your score for free through your bank, Credit Karma, or Experian. Step 2. Identify your financial goals. Want to earn rewards? Go for a cashback or travel rewards card. Looking to pay off debt? Choose a 0% balance transfer card. Need to build or rebuild credit? Opt for a secured or student card.